Have you ever had the feeling that certain famous politicians would look more fitting in an entirely different occupation? In this video, famous political figures of the past are reimagined as the people they might have become in modern times, perhaps in the very roles in which they seem most authentic and at ease. We will also explore how some of the most beautiful figures of the past might have looked together, and how strikingly aesthetic their presence could have been. So, sit back, relax, and take in the journey. I hope you'll find it truly enjoyable.
Hold on to me.
Always.
Allez, pressez haut, serrez les lignes, bloquez les passes. Surveillez le numéro 10. Oui, comme ça, couvrez l'espace. Allez, on y va.
We are not amused. Our empire stands united and strong. O patria mia, il tuo destino è il mio. Il tuo amore mi guida, o re, e la corona splende sul mio capo, per sempre uniti nel canto.
It is my duty to lead. In service to my country, I shall not falter. We will prevail.
Car feels solid. We've got the balance right. Focus on tyre management in the first stint. All right, let's get to it.
Die Schatten der Vergangenheit erwachen. Die alten Mächte rufen uns. Nur durch die Kristallkugel kann die Zukunft enthüllt werden. Die Magie wird uns leiten.
We must not be enemies. We are not enemies, but friends. The better angels of our nature will prevail.
Time to hit the road! Nothing like the freedom of the open road! Welcome to my laboratory. Here we harness the power of electricity. Observe this device. It generates immense electrical potential. And here, a beautiful display of ionized gas. This is the future.
Your Majesty, a missive from the Council.
Rise, and let me see it. This is grave news indeed.
As you command, Your Majesty.
Come on. Yes!
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this presentation enjoyable. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe, share it with your friends. Take care and have a wonderful day.